Hello, children! Pozdravljeni, učenci! Pa smo že pri Torku in tukaj sta naši uri angleščine. Okay, now, do you remember our hello song? Put it on YouTube, sing and dance. Pripravi pesmico Hello, hello, zapoj in zapleši, kot to počnemo pri pouku. Now, listen. I am Martina. I am 28 and I'm from Ilirska Bistrica. Hello. Now you tell me, what's your name? How old are you? And where are you from? Can you do it? Yes, you can. How are you today? I am happy and a little bit hungry and sleepy. Now let's repeat. Tell me, what color is the circle? What color is this circle? It's blue. What color is this circle? It's green. What color is this circle? It's yellow. What color is this circle? It's red. What color is this circle? It's pink. What color is this circle? Yes, it's purple. What color is this circle? It's black. What color is this circle? It's white. What color is this circle? It's orange. And what color is this circle? Yes, it's brown. Now here we've got 4 pictures. In the first picture we see winter. In the second picture we see spring. In the third picture we see summer. And in the fourth picture we see autumn. Second and third graders, you already know these words. Drugošolke in tretješolca, vi že poznate te besedice. Do you maybe remember what winter, spring, summer and autumn are? Se spomnite, kaj nam povejo te besedice, kaj poimenujejo te besedice? Yes, they are 4 seasons, predstavljajo 4 letne čase. Winter is zima, spring is pomlad, summer is poletje, and autumn is jesen. What seasons do we have now? Yes, autumn outside. Do you like autumn? Yes, I like autumn. Now, let's take a look at this picture. What do you see? Kaj vidiš na sličici? Yes, these are autumn leaves. Autumn leaves. Jesensko listje. Tell me, what color are autumn leaves? Kakšne barve pa so ti listi? Are they black? No. Are they purple? No. Are they white? No. They are yellow, orange, red, and brown. Here I have another picture. What is this? This is a pile of leaves. A pile of leaves. Kup listja. What is this? This is rake. This is rake. To pa so grablje. Now, listen to the song. Prisluhni pesmici Leaves are falling down. Povezavo najdeš na mailu. What is the song about? It's about the autumn. What is this boy doing? He's jumping in the pile of leaves. Kaj počne tale fantek? Skače v kup listja. Do you like jumping in the pile of leaves? Radi skačete v kup listja? And this boy and girl are playing with the leaves. Now tell me again, do you like autumn? Yes, I do. Or no, I don't. Now tell me, how's the weather? Kakšno je vreme zunaj? Drugošolke, tretješolci to že poznamo. Tell me, is it windy outside? Is it sunny outside? Is it snowy? Or is it rainy? Yes, it's rainy or sunny or windy. But it's not snowy outside. Zunaj je jeseni lahko vetrovno, sončno, deževno, sigurno pa zunaj še ne pada sneg. Okay, now listen to another song and then let's go on. Zdaj pa prisluhni še drugi pesmici, ki jo najdeš v povezavi na mailu. Now, listen and do. Zdaj pa prisluhni videoposnetku, povezavo imaš na mailu in po navodilih delaj to, kar govori tale gospodična tukaj na sličici. Now something for our girls from second grade. Sedaj tale naloga velja samo za naše drugošolke. Okay, here you've got a worksheet with the title Autumn Leaves. And you have to color these autumn leaves. V priponki imate punce učni list. Vaša naloga je, da pobarvate po navodilih. Glede na to, da so barve zapisane z malimi tiskanimi črkami, lahko za pomoč pri branju prosite starše, ampak prosim, da res same prepoznate barve in pobarvate tele listke. When you're done, stick the worksheet in the notebook. Here we've got something for our third graders. Sedaj pa nekaj še za vaju, Žana in Enej. First, read. Najprej preberita, večkrat preberita tale krajši sestavek, ki sem ga zapisala, prisluhnita mojemu branju in potem kar povadita branje. Če je mogoče, prosita starše, naj vaju posnamejo in mi posnetek lahko pošljete na elektronski naslov. So listen really carefully. Sedaj pa pozorno prisluhnita. Autumn reading. It is autumn. It is rainy, windy, and cloudy outside. Leaves change color. Leaves are orange, yellow, red, and brown. Trees lose their leaves. Pa še mogoče, da vam prevedem, o čem govori tole krajše besedilo. It is autumn, zunaj je jesen. It is rainy, windy and cloudy outside. Zunaj dežuje, je vetrovno in tudi oblačno. Leaves change color. Listi spreminjajo barve. Leaves are orange, yellow, red and brown. Listi so oranžni, rumeni, rdeči in rjavi. Trees lose their leaves. Drevesa izgubijo svoje liste. Dokument s temle besedilom najdejo starši v priponki na mailu. And something else for you two guys, še nekaj dodatnega za vaju dva. Here you've got 6 words. Imate 6 besed. If you don't know the meaning of the words, take a look on the Google. Če ne razumete, če ne poznate besed, si pri prevodu pomagajte kar z računalnikom. Malo se znajdite. So, you have to cut the pictures and stick them on the correct place. Izrezati morate sličice in jih prilepiti na ustrezno mesto. Besedice so zapisane z majhnimi črtkami, to pomeni, da jih morate prevleči s svinčnikom. Okay, let's go. Now, what do you need? Kaj potrebujete? You need rake and you are going to do this outside. Zdaj pa boste šli lepo ven, če vsaj to dopušča vreme. V nasprotnem primeru lahko to nalogo naredite, ko bo zunaj sijalo sonce. So you're going to make a pile of leaves and then you're going to jump in this pile. Kaj boste naredili? S pomočjo grabelj boste naredili kup listja in vanj skočili. Isn't this fun? Okay, now take some of the leaves with you. Yes, take it in your house. Grab it. Vzami nekaj listkov tudi s sabo v hišo. Because you will need these leaves for something. Za nekaj boš potreboval te listke. What else do you need? Kaj še potrebuješ? A paper, a glue, some autumn leaves, a pencil, and colored pencils. Now you will make some art. Nekaj boš ustvaril. You can do a face with your leaves. You can make animals with your leaves. Choose whatever you like. Torej, s pomočjo listkov naredi neko umetnino. Lahko narediš kakšen obraz, lahko ustvariš kakšno žival. Prepuščam tvoji domišljiji prosto pot. Lahko narediš tudi kaj drugega. Then ask your parents to take a photo and send me this photo on my Gmail. That's all for today. Have a nice day and goodbye.